Hello, welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to show you the first step that you need to do if you want to rank your own website. Now, I am going to make more videos showing you how to get other things done, like such as backlinks, off page, and all those things. But the first thing that you need to do before you start spending money on your website or doing a lot of activity is making sure that your website is meeting the technical requirements to make the website look good for Google. So I actually have a free tool on my website, and on this tool you get a free website audit. You put in your URL, you put analyze now, then it's going to ask you for a keyword. So pick, the keyword that you want to rank for. So it gives you ideas, and then your email, your name and phone number, and then you will get a link to your email with your report. So have one here to show you. I pulled this on a website, and this is basically all of the stuff that you're going to get. And this is mostly technical stuff, but the first thing you see here is that this website has an SEO score of 60 out of 100. It passed 23 items. It needs to improve 8, and it has 6 errors. And here, I absolutely love this right here, the spider web, because on page is showing me that it's 72. So it's good on a mobile. It's good as well. Off page, obviously, there's some work to be done. This usually means backlinks. So that's actually good. To me, that's the easiest thing. And then speed, we have an issue with speed on this website. So we got URL is friendly, page is close enough to top level domain, the URL is not blacklisted, favicon not found. So that's something that the client can easily do. And then, so this is the title, the length, and it shows me that it's good. That's got 70, the description, there's no description. So that's something definitely that can be done. And then it has 7 images. Basically, none of them have alt text, so that stuff can definitely be improved. And that's good. Okay, so headings. This, I need to find out if that's good right here. Like all of these are good. This is in Spanish, by the way. Um, this website is in Spanish, so that's actually really good. But obviously, I need to look at this one to see what that is. But so far, so good. Content, there's only 159 words. This report is telling me at least 1,500, so we can definitely add more content. The ratio of text versus HTML code is 9.9%, which is it's really, really low. So we need to increase it. That means more content. As we add more content, then the ratios will be more natural. There's a sitemap. Good. That means that it tells Google that Google and other search engines that the different pages on the website. And it's a robots file as well, and it's a preview. Okay, and then keywords, and then here this is pretty cool because it shows you the density. Less is more in SEO. You don't want to be too low and you don't want to be too high. But this, and I usually look at this one better because usually you want to have like, it's not enough to say jewelry, but it's enough to say, gold jewelry. And, so you want to have um, like a combination of a keyword, jewelry is, yeah, it's okay, but you know what I mean. So you want to definitely have the density that works. So 180, less than 2% is good, but then it goes to below. If you want to rank for these things, then you would need to add more. And then, some coding things, structured data map markup not found. So we can work on that, or, the client can work on that. Security not passed, connection not secure. So the client will need to look at this stuff as to why this stuff is not being secure. That may be important, it may not be, but it's there for you to decide. All right, so here's the issue with this website right now. On the mobile and the desktop score is very low. So that speed is an issue to retain people on the web page. So definitely that needs to be looked at. And then, it kind of already tells you what are the areas that need to be improved. All right, that's what it looked like. Opportunities to load faster, diagnostic, more information, directly affect your performance. Okay, past audit, it did pass well on that. This is good. All of this is passed, meaning the website is mobile friendly, which is a huge thing. And then, social, um, if any social shares, is telling me that it doesn't find the Facebook like or share button, so we can add that. Twitter, page or page not found. So, obviously create a page on Facebook and link it. These are all things that you or your web developer can work on. But before you start sending links and all that, I like to handle at least a lot of these so that the ranking will be more organic, more easier. All right, page analysis. Okay, so it's got some mods. It's got 75 links, root domain analysis. All right, so Moz is saying that it's a little too low. And then it has a task list. I love that. And that's it. This is your report. And this is 100% free. So on the next video, I'm going to show you other things related to ranking a website, but this is 100% free. Link is down below, and I hope that this helps you, because once your score is higher, and once all these things, the task list is done, then you're ready to truly start getting your website ranked. All right, until next video. Ciao.